First, start by powering up the machine using the master disconnect switch. Next, assure that there is no personnel around the machine and/or working on the machine. Insert your universal cat key into the ignition switch. Turn the key one click to the right. Once your panel is powered, press the blue reset button to the right. Yell to alert others that you are about to start the machine. Then turn the key one more position to the right and hold. Once your engine is running, go to the main menu. To unfold the discharge conveyor, press and hold the discharge conveyor unfold button. Press the forward discharge button once to turn on the discharge conveyor. Once the discharge conveyor is running, you then go and engage the clutch. Press and hold the clutch engage button for 3 seconds until the icon is green and no longer blinking. The engagement process lasts approximately 35 seconds. Be sure to wait until your clutch is fully engaged before going on to the next step. Once the clutch is fully engaged, it's time to rev up your engine to full RPMs. Do this by pressing and holding the engine fast button. Once your engine reaches full RPMs, you may then go ahead and start your in-feeds. Now that the feeds are started, it's time to grind.